That was the first language we learned. We didn't know another language until we started going to school. When we started school, Gaelic was frowned upon. They didn't want you speaking Gaelic or didn't want any part of the Gaelic language.
There's no one else around that has the kind of Gaelic that they have.
I was 6 or 7, yeah, before I spoke English.
His style of Gaelic and his style of talking is so excellent.
I also wanted to be able to converse with elders, so that was really what drew me to the mentorship program.
My Gaelic, I love it, and I'd fight for it any day. I'd go to battle for it.
I saw a video of Anna McKinnon on it, and I said, I want to meet this lady. She was full of fun and full of Gaelic, beautiful, beautiful Gaelic.
When I spend time around people who speak Gaelic, I feel very at home.
The language is just one component of the culture.
And it's just amazing, the friendship that's out there.
Oh, I think she's doing excellent. She's doing a wonderful job.
I really want them to have a sense of who they are. So I want my children to know that they are Gaels and what that means.
And oh, it just does me a world of good. It's like as if I'm thinking I'm going to live forever.
You know, I thought that the Gaelic was gone, until those people came along. Yes, yeah. That was so I was happy over that.